Hey, good morning. I haven't made one of these unveiling videos in a while, and if you can see, I've got some sun since the last time you see me. I'm here in California. It's Saturday, the day right before I leave, go back to Oklahoma. But I've been here in Anaheim doing the Disney thing, doing it solo, and having a really good time. Well, I will admit, I am Disneyed out. Last night I was in bed by six in the evening. I had been here since Monday. Monday was a chill day, just traveling and all that and getting acclimated. Tuesday I got to do a really cool thing and got to take a VIP tour of the Walt Disney Studios. Something I've always wanted to do ever since I was little, and I saw old episodes of Walt Disney Presents. I think that's what it was. And they had an episode where a guy got on the stage, the studio, and went through different of the lots, and then you got to see it. And I've always wanted to be there. And I think it was in the late 60s. When Disney passed away, his brother hired this guy to categorize or the office. What I learned in that tour was prior to that, they would throw out things. They would throw out animation cells. They would throw away just things that they thought were useless, props. And they decided that not just preserve Walt's office, but they need to start preserving their history, which was cool. And that was I think what I really enjoy, and I'm going to say this now, Disneyland and the things here in California are better than Disney World. Disney World, you go, if it's just the rides, if you're just wanting rides, that's perfect. Because I will say Disney World has more rides, not necessarily the better rides, because you wouldn't catch me on some of the rides that I got on here, over there. I didn't want to. It didn't seem interesting to me. Dropping sounded stupid. Not stupid. Sounded stupid, not because it's not fun, but because I thought I was going to just get sick. And anybody who knows me knows that quick jerks or turnarounds or anything like that, it gets me sick. I was smart and took precaution for that, and was getting on things that I never thought I would. Guardians of the Galaxy ride. I have never screamed and giggled at the same time ever in my life, but it was so fun. I ended up doing it 3 times. It was fun. Roller coasters. Was doing it and just having the best time, and I'm doing this all by myself, but I'm getting off track. I'll do a video separately, probably when I get home, of a recap of my experience. This video is an unboxing, because I haven't done an unboxing and I can't remember when, but I'm fixing to go in a couple of hours to a pin convention, which was one of the reasons why I extended. I was going to go home today, but when I found out there was a free pin convention by this company called Kraken, which it's fun, and I can't wait. I've seen so many videos of this, and they're going to have people that I've bought from Whatnot there, and other companies, and I'm super excited. I've brought my ping thing to trade for, and I'm working on some stuff. But while I was at the VIP tour, I managed to get some stuff that you can only get there, and to only shop at this one store. There's only 2 ways you can do this, at least the ethical way. There's unethical ways to do it. I mean, I guess, I don't know, ethics, whatever. But one way, you have to work there. You have to be an employee of Walt Disney, the studios, the theme parks. You have to be a Disney cast member in order to shop there, and I get it. There's some really, really, really cool exclusive stuff, and again, I'll go over those type of things also on the other video. This is just going to be an unboxing, things that I may trade, may not, but I got to decide, because if I've got duplicates, I'm trading. But if I don't have duplicates, I'm keeping them. And so y'all know me, I love mysteries. So I've got 2 different mystery things. One, it's the Disney Legends, and it's, if you look, it's the different princesses, but they still don't have my girl, Pocahontas on there. I don't know why they keep forgetting her, but at least they have my other one. I love Tiana and Belle. Really, I like them all except Cinderella. So that's the only one I'm hoping I don't get. If I get her, I'm trading her out right away. But the Legends, what is really cool is, and I'll when I unbox them, I'll show you. But at the studio, they have what they call the Legends Plaza, and it's it's actors, animators, Imagineers, anybody that's worked for the Disney property, whether it be film, attractions, the parks, whatever. They get if they're alive when they do it, they get to put their handprints in, and they have all these plaques and pillars, and I cannot wait to share that with you. I have taken so many videos, so many pictures, and we'll definitely do that. But that's what this is. It's the princesses handprint with their signatures. So let's go. Again, any of them are good. I will get rid of Cinderella if I have to. This one's cool. Oh God, they're heavy. And there's 2. So let's do the first one. Try to find. Okay, good. To get it started. Okay, I'm not looking. It's the back, so I don't know who it is. It is Rapunzel. Nice. Oh, she is really cute. And again, guys, very, very heavy. Okay, that's a good one. Let's do number 2. Don't know who it is. Oh, good. It is Ariel. Oh, she's super cute. Oh, she's super cute. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. So there's 2 open, and I'm not trading those 2. Let's do box number 2. See if I have any duplicates. If I have a duplicate, of course, I'm going to trade it. If I have Cinderella, I don't care if it's a duplicate, I'm trading it. Okay. Oh, I don't look. I just saw the corner, but I don't know who it is. Well, guess who's getting traded? She's cute, though, but I don't like her. I don't know why I don't like Cinderella. She's just not my favorite. I think it's because she's... I don't know. I don't know why I don't like her. Just the only story of her, the only really princess story I don't like. Okay, this one's weird. I can't find a sharp point. Okay, that's the thing. I don't know. I kind of hope it's not Cinderella. I kind of hope it's Snow White. I would like the first. I would really like. Oh. Oh, it's Ariel. So guess what? 2 traders. That's good. All right. So that's not bad. Yeah, it's. I only got. We'll see about Cinder. I might keep her. I may keep her. I don't know. I don't know. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. Depends on if I can get Tiana. I would like to get a Tiana. If I can, at that convention thing, if I can get a Tiana, that'd be cool. Now this one. This one's called I just opened the bag. It's called the Walt Disney Studio Lot Mystery Pin Collection, and it is just a Disney Employee Center exclusive. You can't get these anywhere else other than that the lot. And I'm gonna go open the 2 boxes. Again, the only 2 ways you can get this: do the VIP tour, which I did, or be a cast employee, or the other way, which I don't know how people do it. I don't know how they do it. I'm not gonna lie, I tried the other way. I tried to find people who might be employees or who knew employees, but if I found one person, and one of these boxes, it's like $30 for a box, which is not bad. They're 2 pens and they're heavy duty pens. They're really good quality. So it's like $15 a pen. This guy was wanting to sell just one of these boxes for close to $70, and no, that's stupid. So I didn't. So before I open the different ones, and I'll just tell you the ones from going up to down, because I can't really see them looking like this, but look at the other one. You get, looks like Donald and Mickey. Oh, I can't really tell. So you get Donald and Mickey, you get some dwarfs, Donald by himself, Pluto, Sorcerer Mickey, Goofy, Minnie. Oh man, there's just so many. So let's start. With as many as there are, I shouldn't have any duplicates. Now the only one that I think I would trade away, possibly, is the Oswald one, because I got Sam an Oswald one that looks like that, but it's the magnet. Oh, that one's cute. Minnie in front of the famous water tower. It was cool seeing the water tower in person. I liked it. I liked it a lot. Oh. Please don't feed the squirrels. Well, good thing they're not squirrels. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. I've caught myself really liking Chip and Dale lately. Donald. Well, Sam will be getting this one. He loves Donald. Okay, I think this is one I might trade out. Nope, changed my mind. No, I will not. Oh, it's so glittery. Ooh. Nobody's getting those except me. Those are good. I'm happy. Ooh, I think that was, yep, that was the chaser. It's the only one that's sparkly. Oh my gosh. So yeah, it's a good deal. So I've got 2 pins to add to my collection of traders, which is fun. I'm going to go through some of my stuff and see what I need to take with me, what I don't. I don't want to keep taking a lot of stuff with me. Thank you for joining my pin talk. And I will be making a video probably Monday or Tuesday. Probably not Monday, because I thought I could do this, just nonstop. But yesterday I had to stop. I'm just tired, super tired. Without going into too much of it, Tuesday was the big start of it. I went to the VIP thing. I had to be up at 8 to make sure I got there. It was an hour drive. So yeah, it was and I had to go earlier, or a little earlier than normal, because they said that traffic could be bad, and for the most part it wasn't. There's only a couple of spots that we stopped for. It seemed like forever, but it wasn't too bad. But then I got back to the hotel about 2, and then I had just a few hours to relax, and then was at the park for an event, and I'll go over that later. But the event didn't end till 1 in the morning, didn't get out of the park, because you stroll, and as long as you're in the line for a ride, they won't, when it's time to leave, they won't kick you out. They'll let you go through the line. And so everybody ran to this one ride, and then I was back up from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I was up at 6 at the parks and waiting to do rope drop at 7. And I went, to Wednesday and Thursday. I stayed, and I didn't get home till very, very, till late, till midnight. Or no, the parks closed at midnight. I didn't get home till like 1 in the morning. So no, exhausted. So Tuesday I'll go over my trip. Maybe I'll break it up into a couple of parts, so it's not long videos. Maybe I'll do it like day 1, day 2, day 3. Try to make a little more content. See what I can do this summer. Because summer vacations just really started. This is what, our 3rd week of vacation. So yeah, it's just started for us. I will let you go. Thank you for joining me. And before I let you go, let me show you my view. Windows are dirty, but it's nice seeing the mountains. And what's crazy is, I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it, but way back there, I think behind the hotel, I think that's the Matterhorn. I think I actually had a parking view on accident. I didn't know it. I know I'm right by the highway, and surprisingly enough, I can only really hear it right now. It's been a nice thing. It's been comfortable. I will see y'all later, and talk to you later.